Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a beautiful and thought-provoking line of Chinese poetry in Cantonese. 在山泉水清，出山泉水浊。在山 in the mountains. 泉水 spring water. 水 it's water. 清 is clear. 泉水清 the spring water it's clear. 出 it's out. 山 it's mountain. 出山 when it flows out. 泉水 spring water. 水 water. 浊 murky. 泉水浊 the spring water turns murky. 在山泉水清，出山泉水浊。The saying of this poem carries a metaphorical meaning about how purity can be compromised when exposed to the complexity of the outside world. Particularly, it can be understood as environment shapes outcomes. Just as clear spring water becomes murky when it leaves the pristine environment of the mountains, people or things that start pure or ideal may become affected by external influence or challenges. Stay true to your values. It serves as some reminder to remain steadfast and maintain one's integrity when exposed to the complexity or convolutions of society. This phrase is often used to reflect on the effects of external environments on individuals or systems and emphasizes the importance of preserving purity amidst change. And let's read that again in Cantonese. 在山泉水清，出山泉水浊。Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy learning this beautiful line of Chinese poetry. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on Chinese culture, language, and creativity. Remember, 在山泉水清，出山泉水浊。Let's stay true to our creativity and passion, no matter where life takes us. See you next time.